Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Google Pay on iPhone. So you just go to your Safari, okay, search Google Wallet and go to this URL as well, pay.google.com. And right here, so we're not going to be downloading any apps, you just use the website. So to use GPay, you can just add your payment method, right? Just come here, tap on add payment method, choose either it's a credit or debit card. You can add a bank account as well, whichever one you want. And all you need to do now is just basically go ahead and pay with it, right? You can pay online or in stores as well, and you can just set it up as you please, okay? Through Safari, basically. We're not going to be using the app. This is the exact URL, pay.google.com, okay? Use this on your browser, and you will be good to go. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.